me, help me. Stop now.
Oh no!
I'm sorry. Please call an ambulance for me. What is wrong with him? Stop the car. Come on, let's go.
Move!
Don't worry, I'm here. Okay, done. Run! Let's go home. We have to finish the job with him today. Very good. Wonderful. Wow, it looks good. Wow, that's great. Let's get down to work. Okay, let's go. Hi, everybody. Good fighting. See you again. Very beautiful. Keep going. Here I come. Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. Go! Wonderful. Let's get started. See you again.
Bye-bye!